are still broadcasting live from the San Juan Arena for your 2009 Samsung NCAA cheerleading competition. Next on the map is a three-time NCAA cheerleading champion. Isn't that right, Miss Fairlyn C?
Yes, Mr. Athletics, as you know it. Yeah, the first one, a lot of people are saying that, you know what, they're a little over the hill in terms of their transition to cheer dance, to cheerleading, but they proved them wrong as they win the national championship.
But I think you're missing a member for today, though, right?
Yes, but you know what? Injuries are all part of sport. But good news, Rose Sanchez, who was injured last Monday, is here with us
Kaya pinalitan yung routine agad, isang araw na lang.
On the Altos first one, who can actually blend with pressure. And this
Si Rose, yung pinakamaganda namin.
G-Force.
Wow, okay. And as what Faye said,
yes,
I think they're ready. Get ready to win back their supremacy. Please welcome the Altas First One!
Andi ka no, piniti na, andi ka no. Five, 6, 7, 8, P-E-R-P-E. Ayun o.
Ayun, may tanong na bata.
Ayun o. Si Crystal yung binubuhat ko, May. Si Isa yan, ayan o. Ayun ako, o.
Sige yan.
Ayan na siya. Ay, si Rose, ay dapat si Rose mag-tumbling dyan, oh. Ay, ini ba ni Al? Kick down ball, sige na. Ako ba ba ito? Hindi gusto ko makita. She's a superstar. Yan, pito yan. Kala nila yan na yung ahon namin, hindi na alam may papalit eh. Yan, lutang.
Siyam.
Magiging siyam.
Bigla siyam yan.
Ayun na kami.
Nice one.
Kaya may double twist to. Yan sa Archie, panoorin nyo.
Ano ba sa gitna si?
Wala pa.
Sunod ako dun sa isa.
Isa yun.
Yan, di ba
Ayan, ayan, next sa Archie na. Ayan, sa Archie next. Ay, hindi mo nakita! Ay, hindi mo nakita.
Grabe naman yung camera.
Si Kiyo.
Si Kiyo yan, si Kiyo. Boom. Kaya sa buhos na lang ano.
Low touch. Boom. H-R Altus First One. Boom. Let's go. Hey! Yan na! Spike open! Anim yan! Oo nga! Sabay! Shit! Sabay nga! National champion now and forever. Talon!
Yan na, final dance na.
National champion. Ikot!
Happy Fiesta.
Ay, hindi pala nagano si ano.
Go girl.
Ah! Babae!
Final dance. Ayun o, uno.
Oh! Oh!
Dalawa.
Perfect! Sigawan talaga yung tao dyan, lakas!
Ayun ang ulit to.
Nakuha namin yung toss, yung stance, yung ano to, tumbling pass. Hindi namin nakuha yung pyramid tsaka yung ano, basic element. Hindi, ang pyramid sa JRU, ang ganda ng pyramid ng JRU eh. Sabi niya, partner stance, nakuha namin yan. Shit, full twist. Diba? Tosses, tsaka partner stance, tsaka tumbling. Pinapakita.
Ulit.
Balik.
Ayun o.
Your face is fresh.